Hello, everyone. My name is Tammy Lake, and I'm a solutions engineer at Winshuttle. Today, I want to start the conversation around how Winshuttle can help your organization build success from the inside. A senior manager of corporate business solutions recently told us he sees a trend at his organization. They buy the latest software, sold to them as easy to use, and as a solution to one or more of their business challenges. However, when they get the technology in place, they realize it was either oversold or was never widely adopted by the users it was supposed to help. This is true in so many organizations. But why? What makes even the best technology fail? At Winshuttle, we work with many organizations across many different industries. At our most successful customers, we have some key factors that they have in common. All of these can be summed up into three areas: people, processes, and technology. In today's video, I'm going to focus on step one: start with the right people. At Winshuttle, we often use phrases like empowering business teams to make an impact at scale. We're seeing our customers start to put strategic plans in place to shift the responsibility of automating day-to-day processes away from IT and into the hands of knowledgeable business users responsible not only for data quality, but also process improvements. They're realizing they must be able to react faster and more efficiently to keep up with rapidly changing demands and not get left behind by their competitors. When it comes to automating day-to-day tasks, where we see organizations often struggle is when IT or expensive outside consultants are brought in to automate processes without a solid understanding of the processes or the data behind the processes. IT users are typically the most technically knowledgeable, and they understand the process at a high level, but they don't have the details that the business user knows. Also, IT is usually responsible for putting into place controls and security that ensures users don't have access to information outside of what has been designated by segregation of duty guidelines. Outside consultants offer industry best practices as well as technical expertise. They both offer valuable knowledge and guidance to help empower the business user. Everyone working together is what we see as a success. Where we often see frustration is when business users have to train IT or outside consultants on how to automate their business process. They depend on them to interpret what they've told them and create an effective solution. And once the project is complete, they depend on them to make modifications. So oftentimes when the project is complete, outside consultants move on to other customers and IT moves on to other projects. When those modifications come in and the users need changes, they find themselves in a backlog, which can cause delays and often frustration on both sides. When you allow your users to have access to low-code, no-code software that uses their security credentials, you empower them to automate their own tasks. In addition, IT is then freed up to work on more strategic and technically complex projects throughout the organization. IT can be there as consultants for the more technical questions, but they don't have to do the entire project themselves. Where we see a lot of success is where our customers put together an automation team. Let's take a look at that. So this is an example of how you could set up an automation team inside your organization. You can start with the Center of Excellence, which is typically the smallest and most technical group of users with responsibilities like system administration and permissions, overseeing and monitoring usage, defining policies, and they also provide support to the business at a high level. Depending on your organization's size and requirements, the Center of Excellence may be one user or a team of users from IT, the business, or even a combination of both. It truly is whatever is best for your organization. The next level consists of business authors. They may be responsible for writing work instructions or procedures and are often the ones everyone consults when there's a business process question. Effective business authors may have titles containing analyst or process improvement. Using their business process and data expertise, business authors can create automation solutions for a larger group of business users with role-based views designed specifically for them. The last level, that's the masses of the business users. These are ultimately responsible for ensuring data is accurate and processes run smoothly. Business users are empowered to reduce data errors and perform tasks faster with better visibility into the status of all processes because they've been given a role-based view and they're only seeing what is relevant to them and have some things in there like default values and automatically populating things. All this together means wider adoption and faster end-to-end elapsed process time. Having the right people involved is the most important step an organization can take in accomplishing its strategic automation and data management goals. It doesn't matter how easy the technology is to use if the people responsible for creating the automation solutions don't have solid understanding of the processes and the related data. Winshuttle wants to be more than just a software seller. We want to be a partner with your organization. We can help with strategic planning, industry expertise, and internal use case discussions. This is the first video in a 3-part vlog. Stay tuned for other videos around processes and technology. Let us help you imagine what's possible with Winshuttle.